Hey guys, you're welcome back to our channel. So guys, today I'm going to make a full video on this our hot air brush. The other day I made a review about this, but just a little review, and I promise you guys that I'm going to make a full video on it and know how, and you guys will know how it works. Okay, so today I have here my daughter, and I washed her hair yesterday. We're going to use it and see how it works on her hair. I want to do her hair, but first of all we have to brush it, straighten it before we can go on and start brushing. So keep watching. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you have not done so. So we are outside today. Is very nice here. We have a good nice weather today. This video is gonna be unedited video, guys. I'm not going to edit it. I'm going to post it as I made it for you to know how good is this hot air brush. I'm trying to part the hair, yeah, so that it will be easier for us to brush it. I don't want her to feel pain, and yeah, and you see, and for the first time using this kind of hot air brush, we are still learning how to use it anyway. So I'll do some minutes and show you how it works. Okay, so let's try it now. So you can see how it is working, guys. Let me know in the comment section if it's working well for you. For me, it is working well, but it's going to be easy for the children. If you are using it on the kids, you have to be easy because it might pain them. Yeah. Is it hurting? Is it hot?
Yes, kind of.
So it is doing the great work, guys. I'm seeing that it's working. My doctor said it's a little bit painful, but not much. So I think it's very nice. You're going to take the hair a little bit smaller. Let me comb the front side. Do your hair a little bit off.
It's
painful?
Yeah.
Okay. she's saying it's painful, so I have to take it easy and cutting the hair a little bit smaller, so you can see how it works. The brush is working, I can see, but the only thing there for children who cannot endure pain, you have to part the hair a little bit smaller and take it easy on their hair when combing. Yeah, so I can see it working. It's working very perfectly. So I can ask you to go on and try getting it. It's very nice, guys. I cannot see comb cannot do this kind of work, this kind of job. It's working well. So as I said before, that I'm not going to edit this video. I'm going to post it like you see me doing it now. No editing. Yeah, so that is how this hairbrush, hot hairbrush works, guys, on my daughter's hair. I might work another time, come for my own hair to try it on my own hair. Okay, yeah, so I think it's very nice, very nice. It's doing a great work. I don't know if they can see me because I'm using the back camera. If you cannot see me, I'm very sorry. That's why I always like to use front camera to brush. So let them see your hair, how it works. It's doing a great job. It's doing a great job on her hair. Okay, let me stay here, right? Can you stay this side, please? So, guys, I can say this is working well on my own review. If you can see me, it's working nice. If you want to use it on your daughter, on your children, your girls' children, always part the hair a little small, you know, because I'm taking it too much. That's why it's paining her. Yes, so just part the hair a little bit smaller, and before you make use of it, make sure you use your comb to comb it a little bit, like, okay, just a little bit. If you see any place that is not straight, just detangle it first. You need to detangle it first. This is the best word to use. Detangle the hair first before you can use it. Like this particular one now, I've now detangled this small part here, and let me just try this small part here and see how it's gonna work, whether it is going to pain her again. Is it painful? No. Yeah, guys, you can see, just cut it a little smaller and detangle it before you can use the hot air brush to brush it. So she said that it's not paining her again. For me, it is working. So let me know what you think. What is your thoughts? Give your thoughts there on the comment section. Let me know what you think. Is it good for you? Do you like it? Yes. Yeah, I'm asking my audience, my viewers, my subscribers, students, so that is how this works. This is very perfect. and it's not even hurting someone like if I put it hand it work. It does not like that. I love this. I love this. I prefer this to hot comb. Yeah, I prefer this to hot comb. It's working very well. So her hair now is detangled and brushed. Now we can go on and make our hair easily without any having problem of combing or anything at all. So this is so beautiful and works very magic. Works very well. Sorry. Yeah, I did not detangle here. That's why it says to keep 10 here. Oh, this is so nice. Oh, I'm happy I got this. I'm happy I got this. I'm happy I got this. This is so good, guys. I'm happy I got this. Oh my God, this is so great. So guys, let me know if you like this. Let me know if you like this. We have finished combing. This is how her hair just looks like after using this. So hair is now detangled and well brushed, ready to start to braid. I love this wonderful hair brush. Guys, to tell you, please, this is not advert. I did not have anything for this. I did not. They did not pay me to make advert for this. I saw it on Facebook, and because I need it for myself and my children, and I decided to buy it. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching. You can see after brushing, you can see small hair in it. You see it. So this is how this hot air brush looks like when using it to make hair. Thank you for watching. Love you. Bye. Say bye to our friends. Bye, guys.